Hi, welcome to Chorus Tales TV. Today I'll be showing another wonderful platform you can go and start making good income for yourself. I want you to go to your Chrome browser and start for a platform named AstarGC. AstarGC. What is AstarGC? This is also a platform where you can work by doing little tasks such as completing surveys, shopping online, searching webs, and also watching videos. You can see redeem your points for gift card. By doing all this, they are going to give you points. You can see. Let me show you redemption proof of people earning money from this platform for you to know it is legit. It's a legit platform that people are earning good income. This is their Facebook page. You can see redemption proof. Redeem points for $50 Bitcoin. This redeem points for a 149 paper money. This redeem point for $77 paper money. So that's how it works. So you to quickly leverage the merit of this platform and start working for this platform Let me show you how you can sign up. If you are new to this platform, just input your username, password, type your password, then you input your email address. They are going to give you 10 free points. What? For just registering as a starter. The number two platform I will be showing you what is called GPL Planet. What is GPL Planet? GPL Planet, this is also a platform that pays you what? For doing simple tasks. You can see. Let me show you how it works. Register. Feel free to join J Planet members from all countries are allowed. Registration at J Planet is absolutely free. It is absolutely free. Earn money, then cash out. Apart from all this, you can also earn money through referral program. Through their referral program, you can see. Quickly leverage the merit of this platform. How can you now register on this platform? You can see the total amount even paid. They have paid over $1 million plus. $1 million plus. Currently, they have 863,744 members. So if you are new to this platform, you can see the top right hand corner, the blue button, the blue symbol. Just click on it to register. It's going to pop up. It's going to take you to where you have access to register on this platform. You can see phone name. Input your phone name, your username, password, your date of birth, email address. You confirm your email address, then you confirm your password again. Then the payment method, if it is through PayPal, Skrill, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dash, Faucet Pay, and many more. Then you indicate. Then you input the security information. Then you agree to their terms and conditions. That's just how easy it was on this platform. Kindly hit the notification bell and the subscribe button so you'll be the first to be notified anytime I drop some video just like this. Thanks.